Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be creating a look with these two beautiful single shadows. I'm sorry, from Colourpop Revlon, and this is from, sorry, I have this all upside down. Okay, Revlon and Dream Forever, and these are both from Colourpop, if I already said that already. And anyways, and then tempting to use this foundation from Revlon's Photoready. You see, the struggle is real. The struggle is real. I really didn't enjoy this, but we're gonna leave that there. But anyways, I did love these shadows. It was giving me a little bit of a hard time with the shimmery colors because I did not know how to use it. So, but you'll see in the video how I applied this shimmery shadow. Let's talk a little bit before we go into the video why I have been MIA. For the reason being is because my eye, which this is my right eye. My right eye was extremely irritated. I was not in pain. Nothing was coming, no nasties was coming out my eye or nothing, but I've noticed in the corner of my eye it was a bad irritation. It was red. So I went to the doctor, and the eye doctor had told me that I had cat hair in my eye, and I'm over here thinking and worrying that it has to have been like makeup or a glitter that went in my eye and scratched my eye, but it had nothing to do with the makeup whatsoever, which I was pretty shook. I was like, really? Okay, so basically how I probably got cat hair in my eye is the brushes, because right now my vanity is in the office room. Well, yeah, it's in the office room, and I have my brushes like a little bit close to their bedding area and stuff like that, where they're scratching posts. And so when I go use, the brushes are clean, so when I go use the brushes, I'm guessing, you know, the cat hair gets into one of the brushes. Do I got hair on me already? Like, girl. And so basically, long story short, the cat hair got into my eye, irritated, and I didn't realize for a couple of days till it started getting worse, and I tried to treat it myself and I was making it worse. So I was like, I already said that already. But that's what happened, and that's why I haven't been posting any videos for you guys, and I'm so sorry. And I want to thank all my supporters for still being here for me. And why do I feel like I got, see, you see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? I had cat hair on my eye. On my lash. Oh boy, my kitties, but I cannot get rid of them. I love them so much. They are my boyfriend cats, by the way, and he has two of them. And so yeah, so this is why I have not been posting videos, and I want to thank you again for sticking around. And there will be more videos. I will be trying to post 2 videos each week for you guys. I'm not sure which days. We're just gonna go on with the video. And once again, thank you so much. I love you guys so much. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay. So let's start off by saying, excuse this cheapy choppy mirror of mine. Like I said in my other video, my mirror broke, so I had to go run to the dollar store and get me a cheap one, and the sticker did not want to come off whatsoever. But moving on, hopefully it will be hidden through the whole process of me doing my eyelids. So as usual, my eyes is done, so I want to go in. I definitely wanted to go play with these because, you know, it's my first time in the Colourpop family, yay. And yeah, I wanted to try Revlon's Los Angeles Colourpop and Dream Forever from Colourpop. Pop goes, let me stop, it's so corny. So I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna mix these two up because I'm not sure. I mean, I'm pretty sure you could do a whole look with just 4 of these. But you never know. I just might want to try something different, you know? I don't have a transition color. And I'm not about to pull out another palette. So I'm just going to go ahead with this bronzer right here. And I'm going to use this as a transition. And this is called Natural Bronzer from Revlon. I'm going to go ahead and use this as our transition. Why not? Why not? Just to give us, you know, a base. I'm going to place that right into the crease. You know, you could do that. You could use your bronzer as a transition. So I don't even know which ones I want to use because they are so pretty, but I do want to use the lightest colors that's here, and they all seem so shimmery. Why? Okay, it looks like I demolished this one, as you could tell right there. So we're gonna go into this color, and this is called Glitz. Yeah, this is called Glitz. I'm gonna use the same brush we used for the transition color, the poofy brush, and we're gonna put that into the crease. Ooh, I'm doing it right. I'm gonna put that into the crease. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Now we're just acting like birds. Everybody's doing that noise now where you go. You know, I was watching this thing with Cardi B that she goes, oh, everybody's doing that. Like, oh, and I mean, my sister's like, it's so funny. It's so funny. Oh my God, this is so pretty. So what I noticed with this is, you know, I'm new to Colourpop. You know how shadows you dab into like that, right? You know, you gotta swipe into this one. This is like a creamy shadow, but it feels so good on the lid and it blends out so pretty. You just gotta be a little bit more careful of how much you apply. So now we're gonna go ahead with another color. We're gonna deepen it up, and I'm gonna go on the other side now. I use Laura Lee's. Now I'm gonna go ahead with Dream Forever, and I'm gonna go into the shade No Promises, and it looks like a very deep burgundy. Never mind, the swatches. It looks like a very deep burgundy, which it is a deep burgundy. Let me swatch this one for you. Oh my God, I'm just obsessed with the cream. And I hit myself with the brush. That looks so pretty. But we're gonna move on. That right there into the outer V. Ooh, that is pigmented.
Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for.
What I do notice is you have to work a little bit more harder in the blending process because these shadows are creamy. It's not like a regular powdery, not that we want powdery, but you do have to work harder. I'm not a big fan about that, honestly speaking, but they are pretty. Now I'm gonna go with the same brush we used the first time, just to blend out any harsh edges, any harsh lines we created. I'm gonna play around a little bit more. I don't want to stop just there. I want to build up the color more towards our crease. I'm gonna use the same, you know what, I'm gonna use the pencil brush. I'm gonna go and dab into that. I'm gonna place that right into the crease as well. Wow, like it doesn't even, creamy as fuck. And we're gonna place that right there.
They say fools believe in it.
Now we're gonna go back to Laura Lee's, and this one is called Honey. I was about to say Henny again. Oh my God, Honey. If you saw my other video, I said Henny. And we're gonna apply that on our lids. Now I'm not sure how I should be applying this. Maybe I should just use a flat brush to see. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dab into that. Oh my gosh, that is so creamy. So creamy. I'm gonna put that on our lids, and that's not working. So we're gonna go with our fingers because that did not work. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. Okay, so we're having a techno difficulty here. So I'm noticing it's not sticking on my eye. I'll definitely not have you here waiting while I do cut crease on my eye. So I will fast forward. I'm back. So my lids are cut up. I'm just joking. So there we have it. Now we're gonna see if that's gonna work with this. And you know, while I was doing the cut crease, I was thinking glitter glue. I should have tried one side glitter glue and one side primer. But I already went there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go there. It's very pretty. Well, there she goes. I love that. That looks so freaking gorgeous right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Took me a minute to figure it out, but it's there. I'm gonna go ahead with the pencil brush, and I'm gonna go back into Dream Forever. I'm gonna use No Promises again, because I want to deep up the, now that we did the cut crease, I want to go ahead and deep up this area right here in my cut crease, which I wish I had something smaller than this, but we'll work with that. We'll work with that.
Don't you know I fell for.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes off camera. We're gonna do the wing, put some lashes, make this look come together, and then we're gonna move on to the foundation that I want to talk about. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I am loving my eyes. Just gotta learn more about, you know, Colourpop, but I'm loving it. So now we're gonna go ahead and prep my face real quickly, because I don't want to keep this video like super long, like, you know. I just wanted to get a video up for you guys because it's been so long. And oh, if you guys was wondering what am I putting on my face, it's my all-time favorite Too Faced Hangover, and I love this primer. So I've been seeing this a lot online, and this is called Revlon Photoready Insta Filter in the shade Natural Tan. In the shade Natural Tan. Now I don't know if this is my shade. The problem was that I went to 2 different drugstores and they had no testers, and if they did have a tester, it was not my range. It was a little bit more darker, or it was too light for me, so I had to guess which shade I was. So I picked up this one, so I'm hoping that this is my shade. Shake well before use, twist base to display the foundation, and then why they gotta have a sticker? Am I supposed to like apply this like straight from the tube? Shake well, and then we're gonna turn this knob. Supposed to turn it? Oh. Am I doing this right? Like, no. No. Sorry, Revlon. I'm not digging this. I don't even know how am I supposed. What a waste of money. I'm just gonna go in with this foundation right here, and yeah, that was not working for me. I'm gonna make it work because we don't have all day. Sorry, I need a mirror. That was horrible. Okay, now we're gonna go into the concealer charts, and we're gonna conceal our face. I don't want to put too much because I did get a very light shade, and I'm looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost right now. Well, that's how I see it on my beauty binder. I don't know how it's gonna show on the video itself, but we're gonna work with it, and we're gonna go back into this natural bronzer from Revlon. I'm gonna bronze my face, and I'm gonna bronze the crap out of my face because right now I feel a little bit, you know what's crazy? I forgot to set my face. Ugh, hello. And I'm using the why I keep saying that? The Fit Me setting powder. And I'm gonna use this flat brush right here. I'm gonna set our eyes and stuff, you know. I'm gonna go in the bronzer now and bronze the crap out of my face because girl knows she needs it. Go girl. Alright, so now we're gonna do the blush, and I don't have a blush in hand, so we're gonna go ahead and use the Manali blush, I'm going to go ahead and use this blush from Manali. I'm going to use a little bit of this. I'm going to use a highlight and let me spritz my face. Before we go there. Besides, you know, shit, I like this. You know, I gotta get that. Okay. I'm gonna go. It's in the air. I'm gonna go ahead with this highlight, and this is from L'Oreal's True Match Lumi, and we're gonna go ahead and use this bad boy. I used this before in my other videos, so I felt very, very bold, and I want to go low because I do want to do Instagram pictures. Yep, and if you haven't followed me already, please do so. So now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. Trust yourself. I love that word for some reason. God. Like the goddess. I love it. Oh my god. Like, yes. Okay. Ew. Oh gosh. Like, okay, girl, don't get carried away. Okay, you shining. You shining. You shining. Back off. Back off. Okay, get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Because I'll keep going. I'll keep going. Let's move on to the lips. Let's move on to the lips. I'm going to go ahead and try these again. Because I did say in my other video that I really didn't like these lippies. But I want to play with it more. I'm going to go ahead and apply these both on my lips to see how they apply. And I got some lip gloss on me, but it's okay. So I'm going to go ahead with the light shade. And this is called Love Bites. And by the way, this is from Colourpop. Colourpop. I know what it says. And I'm going to apply this first. I'm going to go ahead into Glitz from come on, L'Oreal. I'm going to place this under our eyes so we can finish our look, because we didn't even finish our look.
For fools, gold, what did I know? What did I know?